Good morning, everyone, and it is time to wake up now.
I really want to go to the playground today. Me too. I am very excited to go outside.
I will bring the first aid kit with us.
Everyone ready now? Let's go together.
Is the playground very far from here? Can I please run ahead just a little?
No, we must walk safely on the path.
Wow, that slide looks really big and fun.
This playground looks safe and clean for kids.
Please remember all the safety rules today.
I will sit here and watch you play.
Walk carefully and do not run anywhere.
Safety always comes first. Then we can have fun.
I understand the rules and I will follow them. Let's go and start playing together now. I want to try the swings first today. I am gonna play on the slide now.
Tommy, remember to walk and not run.
I am climbing up very fast right now. Look at me. I am very high up here. I feel like I am flying like a bird.
Hello, everyone. It is a beautiful day. Hello, please come and join us here. Yes, the weather is really nice today.
I want to try something very cool now.
Tommy, please wait and listen to me.
I am going to run down the slide. Woo!
No, that is very dangerous. Stop now.
Here I go. Watch me, everyone. Ugh. I am slipping. I cannot stop. My knee really hurts so much right now.
Oh no, Tommy, what just happened to you?
Are you okay? Please tell us how you feel.
What happened to Tommy? Is he okay?
Let me carefully check your knee now.
It hurts so much. I feel really scared.
Do not worry. It is only a small scrape.
We will clean it and help you feel better.
Will it hurt when you clean my knee?
It may hurt a little, but it is okay.
It stings a lot, but I can handle it.
Almost done now. Just a little more time.
You are very brave. I am proud of you.
Good. The bleeding has stopped completely. Now I will put a bandage on your knee.
Will this bandage help me feel better soon?
Yes, it will protect your knee and help healing.
Thank you. I already feel a little better now. Great job, Tommy. You were very brave today.
It's okay, but next time let's be more careful on the slide.
I think I did something wrong earlier.
Running on the slide is very dangerous behavior.
We told you to walk carefully all the time.
I am really sorry I did not listen before.
It is okay, but please remember this lesson.
I will always follow the safety rules now. You can still play, just be more careful. I will move slowly and watch where I go.
Good. I will help you stand up gently now.
I will try to stand and walk slowly.
I am right here. Take small steps forward.
You are doing great. Keep going slowly. My knee still hurts, but I can walk. I will walk slowly and stay safe now. We can play together in a safe way. Yes, I feel more careful and ready now.
I am proud of you for learning quickly.
Let's go to the swings together now. Whoo! Whoo! I will sit slowly and hold the swing tight.
I will push you slowly, not too fast.
This is fun, and I feel safe now.
I am happy to see you smiling again.
I am swinging too. This is so fun. I will slow down and stop carefully now. I will always remember this lesson today. Thank you for helping me and teaching me.
We always care about you and your safety.
I love you, and I will be careful. Goodbye, playground. I had a great time today. Let's come back again another day soon.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care on your way home. Goodbye, and thank you for your kindness today.
I feel much better now as we walk home.
You did very well after your small accident.
Next time, I will be more careful always. We will have even more fun next time.
Today was a good lesson for everyone.
I feel safe, happy, and ready to go home.